Now I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is detergent powder making. It will be very familiar and popular to uh, almost all people. Detergent will be used in every home. So how to make detergent powder? So by hearing this, and you can understand that how to make detergent powder. Detergent powder you can make in home also, but a little bit difficulty will be there to you. But even though in certain, especially in Hyderabad, some certain wholesale centers are there. They will provide and everything, powders and as well as scents also. Once if you come into home, you can mix and you can make your own detergent powder. Such type also is available. But even though detergent powder making is also a very good art, it will save your money also. If you know the detergent powder making in home means, you can save so much of money also, and you can distribute to your neighbors also for a certain price. It will also save your money, and you will get certain income also. I am not saying that you don't go for a large scale and all this, but certain in home level if you are doing, you can save certain amount also. That is I am saying. So how now I am coming into the subject. So detergent powder, the link also, you can see this detergent powder link also in my website. In the description you can see, and once if you click the link directly, you can go into that page and you can see all the details. So now we can come into the subject also. Detergent powder, mixing ingredients in right formula. Detergent powders are also known as synthetic detergent, and these are the surfactants. The detergent powder is one of the segments of the FMCG market. FMCG means fast moving consumer goods. Varieties of detergent available in the market with different active ingredients and other components. Why it will come into the segment of FMCG means, FMCG means fast moving consumer goods, because every home will require certain amount of detergent every month also, so that it is fast moving consumer goods. Business plan for detergent powder manufacturing. Write a business plan from processing to marketing, including budget also. For detergent powder manufacturing is also good option, but you should have a plan and a document also, a project document also, where you want to get regularly the raw materials in the moderate cost, and as well as how to do it, and how much will be the working cost, and what are the safety precautions you have to take. And all these you should make a Word document. MS Word document means it is easy to you. In the Word document, step 1 we have to do this. Space how much is required, and what are the equipments you have to keep on, and what are the safety measures you have to take. And safety equipment is how to purchase and where to purchase, and where is the raw material we can get regularly. One time you will go, every time you are going to wholesale market and coming is very difficult. But so that once if you phone to that wholesale market, they will supply in the goods, in the truck or goods or something. Likewise, you should maintain. First time you should go only, you should go personally, and you should pay money. For the time being, while phone calling itself, it will come and you can check it out also. So likewise, every step by step process, you should have a document. One thing I am saying, if you want to start a manufacturing unit, first you should have a document, and once starting will be done means you should not do any research and further thinking and secondary thoughts. You should according to the project plan and Word document, you have to go step by step. Detergent powder, normally 4 major groups. One, heavy detergent, heavy duty detergent, light duty detergent, and phosphate group, phosphate free detergent powder, fabric soft detergent powder. Decide which one you will be processing. Have a detailed project report. Consult small business professionals in the field. Register your business. Register your business as a SSI unit. It will help you in getting government subsidy. Obtain trade license of your establishment from the local authority. Apply for consent to establish and consent to operate, both from Pollution Control Board. For quality control, have BIS registration. Choose a name for your detergent powder. Protect the brand name by registering trademark. Raw materials. Find the supplier for raw materials. Detergent powder manufacturing formulations essentially consist of active ingredients, STPP filler such as sodium sulfate and silicate. You will also need to gather Glauber's salt, talc and color, paraffin wax, etc. is also required. Detergent powder manufacturing. Process includes the steps of spray drying, dry mixing, agglomeration or combinations of these methods. In the spray drying process, first combined into slurry or thick suspension in a tank called crusher. Slurry is heated and then pumped to the top of a tower where it is sprayed through nozzles under high pressure to produce small droplets. The droplets fall through a current of hot air, forming hollow granules as they dry. The dried granules are cooled from the bottom of the spray tower and screened to achieve a relatively uniform size. After the granules cooled, heat-sensitive ingredients that are not compatible with spray drying temperatures are added, such as enzymes, bleach, and fragrance. Spray drying produces relatively low density powders. Technology enabled the soap and detergent industry. Just a minute. Technology enabled the soap and detergent industry to reduce the air inside the granules during spray drying to achieve higher densities. Density powders can be packed in much smaller packages. Agglomeration leads to density powders. Blending dry raw materials with liquid ingredients by the presence of a liquid rolling binder or shear mixing causes the ingredients to collide and adhere to each other, forming larger particles. To blend dry raw materials, dry mixing or dry blending is used. Small quantities of liquids may also be added. Detergent powder promotion. Durable packaging and a catchy name will add extra value to your marketing efforts. Ensure that your product is available at the retail counter within the area you are catering. Establishing distributor dealer network. Do some outdoor media activity. Company website is important. It speaks a lot about your company. Offer lucrative schemes to your distributors. This is the information I want to provide about detergent powders. It is also very, it is FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, means margin will be very less, but if you are continuously in this there, you will get a comfortable moderate income. Actually, in everywhere 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. You can add your profit also. Likewise, you can 7% you can sell it out, because 70, suppose for example 70 rupees may be the working cost and 30 rupees your profit. Likewise, 100 rupees you can sell out every product. Likewise, you can frame yourself how to sell and where to sell, when to sell also. So marketing, if it is a very big manufacturing, means marketing executives, dealers and distributors should be there according to the increasing popularity and the comfort. But once I'm saying that it is better to start from home based, to plant based. Then you can start into state level also with good distributors district wise. Once distributors are there, means you can you can build up a very good business also in a standard way. So likewise, you can increase your business. But advertisement is, suppose if it is your plant manufacturing unit, means you should always provide good advertisement, but spend don't so much of money on advertising. But advertising should be there. But what I am saying is, suppose Google business, yeah, especially Google business is there. In that also you can provide some photos and about your manufacturing unit and videos and clippings, and as well as the process and contact number, email, and as well as the website details are there. That is also you should provide it. It is easy to the customer to understand you and to contact you. Contact number is most important. Then business nearer to your location, around 15 to 20 kilometers. Distribution of visiting cards is also most important with your marketing executives. Then it will be especially wholesale market centers and all these. Please distribute them. Already they will have their own distributors. Even though also they will depend. No wholesaler will not depend on one manufacturer. Suppose up to manufacturing, if it is coming softly, it is okay. But if anything happens and if he stopped his the supply, means you should not be in trouble. So that always have a good regular process should be there. Supply should be there. Once the supply is there, you can sell it. Without having supply, how you can do it? So supply should not be stopped. So that you should maintain 2 to 3 distributors also. So they will always contact you, and they will also provide certain share of supply also to you also. That will become easy to them to maintain the regular supply. So likewise, you can increase your business also. But communication is most important with your visiting card and process and cost and the transportation details. Everything you should explain them very easily in a proper way. That's it. I want to say, this is the information I want to provide you. So wishing you all the best.